Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 1, Leçon A. So let's start now, and in this first lesson I thought it would be, or it might be useful to start with the pronunciation of the vowels, okay, and after that of course consonant will come, but it will be in the next lesson, okay. So let's see now for the vowels how it goes. So the first one is A. Okay, A, so not really difficult to pronounce for most of you. Second one is repeat, okay. Remember that on this vowel we can put some accents, okay, and then it will affect the way you will pronounce the okay, but if it's like that without any accent, then you need to spell it or to pronounce the letter, it's okay, Next one is E, then O, okay, so don't be afraid to put your mouth really round, O, okay, so it's quite deep, O, okay, then U, so this U can be tricky. So from my experience of teaching, I've been noticing that, well, in most of the cases, for American people, it can be quite tricky at the beginning. So you really need to insist on that. It's U, okay? Spanish-speaking persons can have some difficulties as well for that. U, okay? So don't be afraid to pronounce. So really, it's not U, because in most of the cases, that's the mistake people tend to make. They pronounce it like U, okay? Now in that case it's really U, so really narrow sound, U, okay? So don't be afraid to insist on that. And the last one is, well, it's Y, so if you need to spell it, then you say Y, okay? When you pronounce it, it's like E, okay? But the name of the letter is Y, okay? So if we check them again one more time, this one is A, then comes I, O, U, remember, U, and the last one, Y for the name, okay, but then the pronunciation is E, alright? That's it, so you can check the next lesson, it will be on YouTube, and then it's according to the name, so it will be Unité 1 as well, but then it will be Leçon B, okay? You get the name of the channel here, it's Imagier, okay? And then remember that I've been doing more material, and it's available freely, of course, at the following address, www.imagier.net in French, okay? Have a great day, bye bye!